Hi, hello. This is your Lucky sir. This time I am with some NEET papers. I just want to help few students for their NEET entrance examination. These are grand test papers of few most prestigious institutions of India, Sri Chaitanya, Narayana, whatever the institutions we are getting papers. The papers I am trying to give you so that it will be helpful for you. This is a grand test paper, you can see. So without wasting time, because 50 questions are there, you must have patience. If it is taking too much time, 25 questions like that we will discuss in two videos. Okay, this is for exclusive NEET students. You are going to write exam in the month of July 17th. Before that, if you are able to solve around 10 grand tests, it will be good. You are from different places. If it is okay for you, just go through with this. Definitely it will help you. So for hydrogen atom, the correct order of energy level is hydrogen is one electron system. For all one electron systems, 1s, 2s, okay, and 2s is equal to 2p, then 3s is equal to 3p equal to 3d, 4s equal to 4p. This is for one electron systems. The delta G in the process of melting of ice at minus 15 degrees Celsius. Common sense, ice at minus 15 is non-spontaneous. So delta G is positive. Which of the following contain maximum number of molecules? Maximum number of molecules means maximum number of moles. Here 100 by 100 is equal to 1 mole. Molecular mass of calcium carbonate is 100. 44.8 liters of O3 at STP. It should be mentioned here. This is 2 moles. 2 grams of hydrogen means 2 by 2 is equal to 1 mole. And 16 grams of O2 means 16 by 32 is equal to half mole. More number of moles, more number of molecules. So the answer is, which of the following is subjected to leaching process during, thank you Sri Chaitanya group, which of the following is subjected to leaching process during concentration of ore? Bauxite, that is Al2O3 concept. Leaching process, generally it is leached with using sodium hydroxide. You can remember the Bayer's process. Direct question, that is from metallurgy NCERT statement. Select the correct statement regarding the amino acid glycine. Amino acid is optically inactive because this is the first acid, NH2 CH2 COOH. No chiral carbon, so this is optically inactive. Right statement. The species by definition has zero standard molar enthalpy of formation at 298 Kelvin is chlorine gas because it must be liquid. Diamond is not accepted, it must be graphite. H2O, again same problem. Okay, so it must be a compound in its native state. So H2O is coming from hydrogen and oxygen. So right answer is chlorine. Biodegradable polymer among the following is, this is again NCERT as it is statement, nylon to nylon 6, or they can ask you even PHBV also, polyhydroxybutyrate, polyhydroxyvalerate. Correct. Select the correct statement among the following. For first order reaction, the units for rate of reaction per second. Correct statement. For first order reaction, the units for rate, our rate of reaction is per second. Rate of reaction units won't change. Rate of reaction units will always moles per liter per second. Correct. For second order reaction, TF is independent of initial concentration. Wrong. TF is proportional to 1 by A for second order reaction. For zero order reaction, TF is directly proportional. This is the right statement. COD values of 3 samples of water is given below: 300 ppm, 30 ppm, 3 ppm. Directly we can say the extent of water pollution is maximum in case of 300 ppm. Okay. Now coming to equal volumes of two solutions having pH 2, pH 4 are mixed. Okay, now when equal volumes of two solutions of pH 2 and 4 are equal, then lower pH plus log 2. Answer is 2.3010. Lower pH plus log 2, shortcut. If 3 are mixed, like for example pH is equal to 2, pH is equal to 4, pH is equal to 5. 3 are mixed in equal volumes, then 2 point log 3. 2 plus log 3. Lower pH plus log 3, because 3 are mixed. Here 2 are mixed, so lower pH plus log 2. So this is your right answer. Which of the following deviate maximum from ideal behavior? Maximum from ideal behavior means like this. Hydrogen, helium will be always above, and the gases will come like this. The maximum deviation can be noticed for ammonia because of easy liquefaction, hydrogen bonding and all. This is for ammonia. NCERT, you can get this in from NCERT, and all your college materials you can find this one. The hydrolysis constant of ammonium acetate is given by ammonium acetate is a weak acid, weak base salt. Weak acid, weak base salt means it must be Kw by Ka into Kb. This is for weak basis salt, this is for weak acid salt, this is for both weak. Kw won't be there, don't worry. The standard EMF of the following cell is 0.36 volts, 2 Cu plus Cu and Cu plus 298 Kelvin. The equilibrium constant of the reaction is, okay, you need to solve this question. Equilibrium constant and standard EMF of the cell, the relation will be like this. Delta G naught is equal to minus NF E naught cell. Delta G naught is equal to minus 2.303 RT log K. So both are equal to delta G naught. So you can say NF E naught cell is equal to 2.303 RT log Kc. So you need to apply and you can find the solution. If you find the solution, it will come 1.3 10 to the power of 6. If you find any doubt, I will explain this later. Ideal conditions for the formation of A to B are 2A plus B gives us A to B. Delta H is equal to minus 200. This is exothermic. Exothermic means you need low temperature. Okay, now low temperature is required for you. 164th one, low temperature is given. Where low temperature is given? Low temperature is given here. And what other thing is required here? Number of moles are here. 2A and B and A to B. Number of moles are decreasing. When volume decreases, pressure should be more. So pressure more, so high pressure, right? Relative lowering of vapor pressure is maximum in relative lowering of vapor pressure is directly proportional to number of ions and all, you can say. This is BaCl2, 3 ions you are going to get 0.1 into 3, you can say. Glucose 0.1 only, urea 0.1 only, because urea and glucose are non-ionizable. Al2SO4 taken this gives 2 aluminum and 3 sulfate, so it will become 0.5. So maximum Al2SO4 taken this. Compressibility factor Z for an ideal gas will be 1. Direct question. Z is equal to PV by RT. For ideal gas, PV is equal to RT. So Z is equal to 1. Which of the following types of drugs reduces fever? This is a very simple question. Most of you know antipyretics. Molality of an aqueous solution that produces an elevation in boiling point of 1 K at 1 atmosphere pressure. Kb for water is 0.512 Kelvin kilogram per mole. Direct question. Delta Tb is equal to Kb into m. Okay. 1 atm pressure. Molality of an axis that produces elevation boiling point, that is 1 Kelvin. So delta Tb is equal to 1, Kb is equal to given 0.512 into molality. So molality is equal to 1 by 0.512. That will be equal to 1.95, approximately 2. Reagent used to remove hardness of water by Clax process. Clax process means immediately it should come into your mind that calcium hydroxide. Don't add extra because calcium hydroxide is little cheap. Don't add extra because it will turn into artificial hardness. The number of hyperconjugated hydrogen atoms of the following structures are. In this case, you can see this is the functional group. So here 3 hydrogens are there, here 2 hydrogens are there, here 1 hydrogen is there. Number of hyperconjugated structures is depending on this one, and here you can see 2 hydrogens are here, CH3, CH2, and here 1 hydrogen, here 2 hydrogens are there, here also 1 hydrogen is there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. I can see 9 here. Okay, number of hyperconjugated hydrogen atoms in the following structure. Hyperconjugated hydrogen atoms. So all alpha positions you can take. If this is the plus charge, this is alpha, this is again alpha, this position is alpha, one hydrogen is still there. Here 2, because to this double bond, this is alpha hydrogens, and here 1. Okay, which of the following is incorrect? This is completely memory based. Okay, unnium means this is going to be 111. Okay, damn stadium. And for all these, unyl hexium 106, unyl trium 103, unyl annium 101. Okay, 101 Mendelevium. So check periodic table. If I am not wrong, it will be fourth option. Among the following, which can be prepared by Williamson synthesis? Williamson synthesis is good for simple ethers, you can say. Complicated you cannot make. So only 3 is the best, I think. Because here both sides phenyl groups are there, here both sides tertiary groups are there. That is not possible. Which of the following forms alcohol with NaNODHCl? That is generally done by primary alcohols. 173 must be primary alcohol. Primary alcohols are, any all option is there? All of the above, right? Because all these are primary amines only. N-butylamine, this is primary amine. Secondary butylamine, this is primary amine. Tertiary butylamine, this is primary amine. When NH2 group is there, they will be converted to alcohol. Good question. Boiling point order of the following is. Boiling point directly depends on length of the carbon chain. So it must be greater, first greater, then third, then 2. 1, 3, 2, it should be 1, 3, 2. Okay, question number 174 should be 1, 3, 2. Boiling point directly proportional to length of the carbon chain. Length. 175 CH3 CH2 CONH2 Br2 KOH is Hoffman bromamide reaction. Very special. And he is asking false statement about A is. A is CH3CH2NH2. CH3CH2NH2 is normal aliphatic amine. It is less basic. This is false statement, direct. Okay. This is false statement because aliphatic amines are more than this aniline. So this is half paper done. From 176 onwards, we will do in another session. Thank you.